Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted, Unfiltered. And as always, I encourage each and everyone to please comment down below. Let me know what you guys' opinions are, and the good and interesting comments will make it into the actual long form, detailed video review. Long form. Okay. Anyway, before we begin, let's give a shout out to our dear friends from Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. I'm going to say that as much as I can because, you know, I have no script at all. That's the only thing that I can memorize. And, sometimes green is not for everyone, especially like for Jasons in the world, including me. But when you pair it up with Kunuku Coffee Roasters, it kind of makes it not just bearable, but actually special. And speaking of specials, we have a special unboxing for today. Not only are we unboxing with my office flipper, yes, one guy commented, why did I use two hands to use my flipper in my previous video? Well, it needs some oil and needs some sharpening, so I need to do that. But anyway, I brought this from the office because I don't want this to be like lost, because I don't know, people are crazy in the offices. I mean, you experience that offices and refrigerators are like the places where things get lost. And going to Dubai, and I don't want my dear knife to be in the possession of some other untrained hands. Isn't it funny? I use my knife and then I open it like by hand. This box. Anyway, Venezianico guys, you know what the deal is with Venezianico. They're really good Italian friends of ours, and these Italian friends really make some really good watches and some good packaging as you can see there. So let's open this. Ugh, it's a little bit tight right there. That's what they all say until it like loosens up. It's a little tight. Very tight. It's suspense there. But I know pretty much what they're sending. I just don't know if it's on a bracelet or on a rubber strap. Let's see. And it's in a bracelet. And look at that. Finally, guys, I was waiting for this. I was hoping to get this before our trip. Man, look at that. Wait, before we
Which one's that?
let's put a. Hey Josh, what's up? I think this is the very best version of the Arsenal from Venezianico. Arsenal. I don't know. Like, I'm a watch pirate. Sue me. And of course, they have this beautiful bracelet, as we've come to know. And look at that dial, guys. This really is, in my opinion, the very best Venezianico Arsenal that you can ever get. I begged for days on end for Venezianico to send this to me. They actually didn't have it available until Elena was really putting on the effort and tracked down one, and lo and behold, they were able to send me one. And special thanks to Elena for that MVP right there. Look at that. So many good things coming. This, I think, is one of the better applications of the Meteorite dial. And look at that. Do you notice something there that's not in the previous Arsenal? Yes, there's now a running seconds hand. Lovely Arsenal. And as you can see there, that's the case back. Still that thin profile. Very nice. I think this is my favorite Venezianico at the moment. Put it on the wrist. Look at that. There's still some slight overhang on my 6¼ inch wrist, but that thinness is really good. We're going to be comparing this with my other Arsenal in the box right there. And again, this is just the short unboxing experience, guys. So if you have a comment or if you have anything to say, let it be known and we'll make it into the video review that we're making of this. Let's see if we could focus there. Yeah, you could see there. There's some nice step dial going on there, right there. I love that. Oh man. Oh, and look, the hands are also loomed now. I think they're loomed. Let's see. Oh yeah, they are loomed. Look at that. Look at that, guys. The hands are also loomed now. Very, very nice. So, again, that's the Arsenal Meteorite. What is it? Is it like, well, they usually mention something other than Meteorite. What does it say? It doesn't say anything on the back. It's just Arsenal. It's just Arsenal right there. Does it say anything on the dial? Anything on the dial? It doesn't say anything on the dial. But anyway, it's a common theme. I just unbox these without any research, without any knowledge. So that's going into the video review. You'll find out what this Arsenal variant version name is going to be. So comment down below, watch out for that video, and let me know what you guys think. My most favorite, is there such a thing, most favorite Arsenal? Anyway, my favorite Venezianico at the moment.